Hey, guys. Welcome to our channel. If you've ever wanted to convert any file to MP4, you're in the right place. Today, I'll guide you step by step through a straightforward process to get that done using InVideo. This method is perfect. You can convert any file to MP4, and you can convert any MP4 file to another format using this tool. Today, we will teach you how to convert MOV to MP4 using this tool. So, let's dive right in. First things first, let's start by opening your web browser. In the search bar type Convert MOV to MP4. Using InVideo. If you want to use this InVideo tool, I've provided the link in the description. You can use the website from there. Look for the MOV to MP4 converter tool. You can usually find it by clicking on the first link or navigating to the tool directly. When the website opens, you'll see options for various tools. Look for the section that says Convert MOV to MP4. Next, click on the Select MOV File button. This will prompt you to upload your video file. If you've already downloaded your YouTube video, this is where you'll upload it. Click on Upload Video or Audio, and navigate to the location on your computer where the downloaded YouTube file is saved. Once you've located your file, select it and click Open. After your file uploads, you'll see the file format options. Click on the drop-down menu for File Format, and select a MP4e from the list. Now, let's adjust the audio quality. Find the Audio Quality tab. Click on the drop-down menu and select 128 kbps. This setting offers a good balance between video quality and file size. Once you've selected your desired settings, click on the Convert button. The website will process your file and convert it to MP4 format. This may take a few minutes depending on the size of your video. After the conversion is complete, you'll see your MP4 file ready for download. Click on the file name to access it. And then hit the Download button. Once the download is finished, locate the MP4 file in your Downloads folder or the destination you chose. You can now enjoy your MP4 file, which is ready to be played on any device. And that's it. Converting any file to MP4 using InVideo is quick and easy. If you want to use this InVideo tool, I've provided the link in the description. You can use the website from there. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. It really helps me out and lets me know that you want more content like this. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of our future videos. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Have a fantastic day.
Bye!